How to change home screen grid, app screen grid size on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. By default, set the home screen grid size and app screen grid size. Here you can see home screen grid size, app screen grid size. Grid size means a row or column you use on your device. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 row and 4 columns. So to change this grid size, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the settings at the bottom right corner. Now here you can see the home screen setting, home screen layout, home screen grid, app screen grid, folder grid. So first tap the home screen grid. By default set the home screen grid as a 4x6. You can choose 4x5, 5x5, 5x6. So select the option you want to set and tap the done to change the home screen grid size. Now go back, tap the app screen grid. Here you can select the row and column for apps you want to use. Here you can choose 4x5, so you can see the 4 row and 4x5, 4x6. So here you can see the 6 row and 4 column, 5x5, 5 row, 5 column or 5x6. So select the option you want to set and tap the done option at the bottom to change the app screen grid. You can also set the folder grid as a 3x4 or 5x4 on a Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.